when it comes to SYMSON, there's always the element of the foundation and what our AI models can do. But as with all, we would rather work with you as a business to really understand your objectives, really understand your goals, how, based upon what SYMSON is today, challenges can we solve. So then if we need to look at some bespoke development, like what we've done with a couple of our existing clients, we will always approach it and we'll always kind of see what you want it to do and then build it with you. So it's we would rather us fit SYMSON into your business rather than you fit in your existing business into how SYMSON works.